What's up, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to discuss a common topic that I have been receiving and reading in our feedback and comment section, and that is how to add strips. We believe that strips are an essential building block of your site's layout and content. And if you are ready to get started, you are in the right place. We've got you covered. But before we dive into it, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out of our latest content. And before we can explore the adding strips to your Wix website, you might wanna go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but Wix.com is basically compatible to any known type of browser, be it Brave, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and Firefox. When you are in Wix.com, sign up. It's super fast, easy, and simple. And once you have successfully created your account, you might want to go and log in using your credentials. And then go to your dashboard, right here. Okay. So when you are in the dashboard, if you don't know how to go to your dashboard, go to the home page right here, and it will redirect you to this part right here where it says My Sites. Click on that, go to My Sites. Okay. And click the page or the website that you're going to edit or add the strips. Say for example this one, and you will be redirected to this interface. All you're gonna do is when you see a plus button here where it says add elements, you click on that, and basically it's here. Strip, add strip. What is strip? Basically, these are what's gonna show on your website, right? You can drag and drop, you know, and all of that, because adding strips to your Wix website will have a lot of advantages that can enhance the design, functionality, and user experience for your site. It will allow you to create a variety of layouts for your web pages. You can combine, different types of strips to achieve the design you desire, making your website visually appealing and user-friendly. Remember, strips will help you organize your website's content into a clear and distinct sections. It will make it easier for visitors to navigate and find the information that they need. And using strips, you can create visually engaging and dynamic pages, right? They need they need and you can captivate your visitors, making your website more memorable, right? Wix automatically optimizes search strips for mobile devices, ensuring your website looks and functions well on smartphones and tablets or any other devices. Because, of course, the responsiveness is crucial for any positive user experience. Strips will allow you to maintain a consistent look and feel across your website. You can use the same strip style or layout on multiple pages. Let's say, for example, we add another strip right here. Okay? Let's say we use this one. All right? All I gotta do is drag and drop this one right here. Now, a well-structured strips can improve your web search engine optimization or SEO by providing clear headings and organized content, and this can lead to a better search engine rankings. You can strategically place strips to guide visitors to take specific actions, such as signing up for newsletters, making purchases, or simply contacting you. Strips can be used for various purposes, including to introduce your business, the about section, showcasing product, presenting testimonials, sharing blog posts, and much more. So building your website with strips can save you time compared to starting from scratch. You can quickly create professional looking pages by choosing the most suitable strips templates. There's a lot of templates that you can use really. And it can be used to create interactive elements such as forms, buttons, and chat widgets that will engage your audience and encourage interaction. Remember, adding strips to your Wix website empowers you to create well-structured, visually appealing, and user-friendly web pages that effectively convey your content, engage your audience, and support your website's goal And strips are a valuable design tool that simplifies the process of building and maintaining a professional website. Okay? So, again, we believe that a well structured strips can improve your website's overall feel and aesthetics. And if you find this video helpful, because that's a wrap, guys, that's easy. Okay, if you find it informative and enjoyable, if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. We've got a lot more, and if you're still hungry for more knowledge or just want to dive deeper into the world of Wix, check out some of our other videos right here. We love hearing in the comments. So if you have questions, comments, or feedback, drop us a comment below. We read and respond to as many as we can, and I'll see you in the next one.